Hi everybody, Kelly Driver here. A warm welcome to my art channel. Thank you for being here today. I have an existing artwork called Pink Diamonds that it's a very beautiful painting, but it hasn't sold and it's still at home in my personal collection. So I thought I'd use this opportunity to do another stencil on this painting. I've always, whilst I really like Pink Diamonds, I always have felt like it's had two focal points rather than one center focal point, and it's always bothered me a little bit. So today I'm going to rectify that situation using inspiration of Olga Sobey, who is the queen of stencils, in particular mandala stencils. So I've got this lotus flower mandala stencil, and I'm going to apply that using existing colors that are already in the painting and to embellish this artwork further. So let's have some fun. Gel medium is on. Now I've got to work quite quickly because that took a bit longer than I would have liked. And I've got to get this paint on ASAP so that it doesn't set. And that will be just as fiddly as this was, unfortunately. That's good. And now I'm going to put some touches of Pebeo iridescent precious gold on there. Just a few little spots of it, not a lot, just in random places. I think that will be good. Now we will peel these little bits of masking tape up. Now I think I'll have got a bit of paint around the edge of the mandala because it was such a thin edge on there. Okay. Very flimsy. Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it. Maybe if I paint around the edges, it may improve. So I've done a bit of a tidy up here, and I've decided that it looks a little bit funny, and that's because of the gold on the gold. So when it's dry, I'm going to paint over the gold and be more deliberate with my application of this Caput Mortuum violet almost everywhere, and maybe I will focus the gold in the center, just in the center. So yeah, I'll paint on that when it's dry. It's going to be okay. I don't really like the way it looks right now, but it will be okay. And I will be able to make it work. So stay tuned for the next bit. Okay, now I'm still not happy with the stencil. I did an outline, first of all, with the stencil's been a nightmare actually. I don't like that stencil. I'm not sure if I'll use it again. I did an outline with Posca pen. Then I wasn't happy with the colour of it, and you can barely see it on there. And the gold has almost got a greenish hue to it. So then I got out my Pebeo, the iridescent gold, but you still can't see it. So now I've decided what to do is to, I've mixed up Caput Mortuum Violet and Berry, these two colours. I've mixed them together, so because this one's got an iridescent shine to it, and you can see on this outside bit that I put the DecoArt on there to break up the solid pattern. And now I'm going to paint over my gold here with the mixture of the two colours. So here we go. This is the final result, which I'm very happy with. I think it's lovely. It's got some gorgeous colours in it. And the lotus flower mandala is very beautiful. Very fiddly, no doubt about it, but it's it's turned out very beautiful, and the gold in the centre is gorgeous. I finally got it right with the violet over the top of the gold, which is underneath there, which is good too. So a great result in the end, and I'm very pleased that I used this painting as an opportunity to do a stencil. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and please like my video, and you can hit that bell as well if you want to as well. I will see you next time. Thank you very much for joining me today. Bye for now.